one of you. I wish you all the very best in your future, the state and the country as a whole. May God bless each and every one of you.
Rajukta Roy, Samdi Booking from St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Shillong. Nathaniel Manfred Lalu from 7th High Secondary School, Shillong. Wanda Rihun Linkoy from Anderson High Secondary School, Nongs Point. Jenita Pator from South Indom High Secondary School, Mukayau. Nosheen Islam Chowdhury from All Saints Diocesan High Secondary School, Shillong. Ishan Bhatt from St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Shillong. Aditya Thapar from Gorkha Pathshala High Secondary School, Shillong. And Kevin D. Pale from St. Anthony's High Secondary School, Shillong.
Good morning.
Again, 10 more students, please come here. Abhira Nongse, Sharat Chitri, Binit Rai, Lasara Pinbyang Nongri, Weimaya Noplu Lakiak, Rodit Biswa, Trisha Shi Das, Yatmenika Chulet. Abriela Nongse from Christian Academy, Sharat Chitri from Gorkha Pathshala High School, Shillong. Binit Rai from St. Nanak High Secondary School, Shillong. Lasara Pinbyang Nomri from St. Michael High Secondary School, Shillong. Wei Maya Nongdu Lakyang from North Liberty High Secondary School, Jowai. Rodit Biswa from St. Anthony's School, Shillong. Dodawal Elida S. Longrum from Sinap High Secondary School, Shillong. Trishakshi Das from St. Mary's School, Shillong. And Yakmen Nika Shulet from Shangpung Presbyterian High Secondary School, Shillong. Again, these 10 students, please come forward. Vivek Sharma, Vinaya Karshandi, Shriyang Shillong. Shekina Murbo from Pratham Chowdhury from St. Mary's High School, Shillong. And Firoza Akhtar from Little Angels Secondary School, Shillong.
One, two, three. One more. 1, 2, 3.
You see, there's a big problem here.
Thank you.
Which camera do we look at? It is one camera, you have to tell us. Yes.
Look here. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Thank you.
Okay? Ready? Again, which camera?
Not on top.
Okay. It's good?
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You know what? I think what we need one.
And a very great privilege to be speaking amidst such valuable presence. Well, yeah, my heart is really throbbing speaking in front of you all, but the first and foremost thing that I would like to do today is show gratitude. To thank my parents, my exceptional teachers, my principals, and God Almighty, and blessings through which I have been able to embrace this achievement today. I would like to keep it, I always tend to rant about when I speak, but I would like to keep it short. So, As I stand here today, I would not like to speak as the topper of Meghalaya, but as a fellow student whose hard work really paid off. Well, the journey of class 10 has really been a journey of life to me. It was filled with both vivid and vague moments simultaneously. The beginning of the year was very energetic and fresh to me. Seeing all the interviews of the toppers, I felt very motivated. I felt very keen that I would be the one who is being watched the next year. And because there was also a drought in the position in our school, and I also remember one particular quote said by one of the toppers' father. He said that there is no shortcut to success and there is no substitute to hard work. That really moved me, and I was all the more pumped up to get the top position next year. And I would like to say that I'm not really a bookworm and I'm not that insanely into studies. I'm just a person who likes to enjoy my life, and as all the great people, they recall their school life, they always remember their class 10 as a golden moments of their life. So I too wanted to live that moment to the fullest. And in fact, I say that I lived my class 10 to the fullest with my friends. I engaged in all sorts of activities, be it sports, programs, extracurricular activities, or even just wild fun. I just wanted to live even the smallest ephemeral moments of class 10 to the fullest. But yeah, this journey has not been a fairy tale. It has its own struggles. It has had its own struggles, and there were many ups and downs. Amidst this journey, the pressure and expectation of class 10 slowly started creeping on all of us. At the later time of the year, I started to see the pressure in all of the school environment. I saw it on the grim faces of my friends. I saw on their faces the pressure of completing the syllabus on time, the tension before a crucial exam, the fear of disappointing someone who believes in you. That was the same for me too. But I really wanted to prove myself. So during the last few months, I gave it my all. I poured my heart and soul to it so that I may succeed. And I would like to say that I would not have been able to achieve this outcome if it was for my own selfish outcome. The hope and expectations that my teachers, my parents, and all the school have placed on me, I think that was the driving force that led me. If it was not there, so I don't think that I would have worked as hard and I would have achieved this outcome today. So I would also like to congratulate to each and every one of you.
Opportunity to these children, and it is unfair to snatch it away from them at this young age, and really lead them into a point where they cannot even clear class 10. So therefore that decision was made. Yes, we discussed about the plus and minus for it, but I strongly felt that there was much more positive in it than negativity. And I hope that in the years to come we will slowly look at all aspects of education and improve the overall quality, improve the overall understanding, and ensure that students are able to also grasp the concepts. So things take time. Education is a very sticky subject in the sense that processes take time to change. But I hope that this change that we've started in this way will have that positive impact and momentum. And we hope that we'll be able to, as I said, ultimately reach our goal to ensure that we have a very, very robust education system overall. So, our intention is really to uh, motivate our youngsters, and in whatever way possible to show our appreciation to them. And with that objective, we have started this process. There are many ways in which we give our sense of appreciation, but it is more personal and more meaningful, I feel, when the Chief Minister of the state calls them to his residence, and has a moment with them at a personal level and has breakfast with them. So I think this is something that will be a thing that they will remember. So yes, I do wish to see this as an annual event, and we have done it today here in Shillong for the Khasi Jaintia sector. For Garo Hills, we're doing it on 18th, I would have loved to do it both together, but it is logically very challenging for the students to come all the way here. So we are having the program for Garo Hills for the western region in on the 18th of this month, just about 4 5 days from now. So we'll be having the program there. And to answer your question short, yes, we do wish to continue this and make this an annual event. As I said, it's a small but a meaningful way to motivate and give our sense of appreciation.
So, related question about CM Impact Guidebooks. There are critics who say that simplifying things also may professionally affect the students.
Uh, it has got plus and it's got minus. There is no move or there is no step that is always 100%. Will get all the correct appreciation. So yes, there will be critics in every sense, and I take the critics also in a positive sense. But my primary question, which I always ask myself when the results were at 50%, was that at class 10 is just when the life of a child or the dreams of the child starts to take shape. And when a child then fails in class 10, their dreams are already over before they can even start. And I feel that that leads to a huge level of depression. At the same time, the confidence level goes down, and there are many challenges in the future. Class 10 is not the end, or not the point where it's like an engineering or a medical or an civil service exam. This is a basic exam where we feel that the child should be given the support, should be given the encouragement to pass and clear so that they are able to move forward in their life. So it's a choice we had to make. Very happy and we feel very satisfied to see that today we are seeing 86% pass, where there was a time when we used to have just 50% pass. Of course, we desire to see more, and we are giving an option where the students who did not make it in the first try will get a second option. So I hope that the pass percentage will go up. But this is just one of the steps that we are seeing for the reformation of education system as a whole. Just a few months back, we had taken a decision to reform the ad hoc in the SSA teachers also, and that has taken impact now. And on the 1st of May, the ad hoc and the SSC teachers will be receiving their first pay structure, the revised pay structure that is there. It'll be a great moment for the education system, and I hope that that will lead to further improvement of the education system as a whole.
Related,
Related question. See, in the state we
Just
are
last
less
one question and one question.
IAS, IPS. What is it instead for the government? Do we have some exam for?
Yes, you're right. These are all challenges. We can't resolve everything in one go. We have to see that we work on the system, and it'll always be there. That there'll be different issues that will come up, and civil service clearance at the central at the UPSC level is definitely one area which we are very concerned about, and we would like to see more students pass. So this year itself, in fact, I'm starting a program where I'm going to be supporting financially the students who have cleared the prelims. Will be giving financial support to them from the government side. At the same time, where the different districts and different organizations to which we are giving coaching and training and financial support. And we had started a program online many years back, which of course had to be stopped because of the COVID, the pandemic that struck us. But we are slowly structuring it. I hope that we'll be able to see more impact. Just recently in Garo Hills, also we had, the religious organizations also have started to start this training process, and government has helped is helping them also. So on and so forth. I think society as a whole and people and the state as a whole has to work unitedly to make this happen.
Can government start a new syllabus?
Can you tell us about the